Number 19. The sequence of amino acids in antibodies enables them to complete which function? So sequence of amino acids in antibodies. So antibodies are proteins. And they are made by amino acids. And depending on the types of amino acids, the proteins, the shape of the protein can change, and it also changes the antibodies. Okay. So, what does that mean? That means that the shape of the antibody will change, and the substrates or the antigens, not the substrates actually, antigens that binds to the antibody can vary. Okay, so because of the specific shape of antibody, it will only bind to a specific antigens. So A is the correct answer for this one. It will bind to a specific antigen.